Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Data Science Central, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Data Science Central. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the home page loads, look for the Login option. This option is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email address and another for your password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is typed correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, checking your email for instructions. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email address and password. Alternatively, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then try again. Once logged in, you will have full access to Data Science Central's resources. Explore the site to make the most of your data science journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.